Today we're making 1-minute mug cake, spring edition, because you asked. If you're craving a slice of cake, you don't have to make a huge one. These are the perfect dessert for what? They're quick and easy and will satisfy your sweet tooth. We're gonna get right into the video and make the strawberry shortcake. I know it's not really a shortcake, but I like the name, so that's what I'm gonna call it. To the melted butter and vanilla, you wanna add sugar, milk, the flour, baking powder, and salt, and mix to combine. There's just something so delicious and amazing about vanilla cake and strawberries and cream. I want to say it's one of the most iconic springtime flavors. You can't go wrong with strawberries and cream. It's so good. I'm sure you can tell this one's my favorite, right? By the way, the full recipe for all 3 mug cakes will be in the description box below and on my website, emmafontanella.com. And if you're new to my channel, hello there. Welcome. Make sure to subscribe and click that bell. I post new videos every week. You want to mix the batter well and add the strawberries, about 2 tablespoons. You want to add 1 tablespoon, mix the strawberries inside the batter, spread them out as evenly as you can. Take your time with this and add the remaining tablespoon on top. Now we're gonna microwave this baby on high for about 1 minute and 15 seconds to 1 minute and 30 seconds. This will really depend on your microwave. We're gonna set this to the side for a moment because we need to make the cutest and most delicious carrot mug cake. You can't have spring without carrot cake. To the melted butter, you wanna add brown sugar, finely shredded carrots, cinnamon, and milk. Give these a quick mix before adding the flour, baking powder, and salt. I feel carrot cake is so underrated. It's one of those cake flavors that you either love, or don't really like at all. I personally love it. It's so comforting, so moist. Honestly, there's nothing to not like about carrot cake, okay? Add some chopped nuts if you like, or any other mix-ins you want, and believe it or not, this is done. You don't have to make, an entire carrot cake to enjoy a slice. We're gonna pop this baby in the microwave and cook this on high, again anywhere between 1 minute and 15 seconds to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Every microwave is different, so keep an eye on it and do not overcook this. For all of you lemon blueberry muffin lovers, boy have I got a good one for you. This is so fluffy and amazing. You have to make this. To the melted butter, add the sugar and about 5 to 6 gratings of lemon zest. You want to zest it over your mug cake, get it inside the mug maybe, okay? And add the milk, the flour, baking powder, and salt. You know the drill by now. Sometimes you want a muffin, a delicious muffin for breakfast. And what I love about this is that you don't have to bake a batch of 12 muffins just to enjoy one for breakfast, okay? Because I don't know about you, but I'm definitely not going to be eating muffins for 12 days in a row for breakfast. I want variety. Anyway, this makes such a quick and easy substitute, and you're not sacrificing flavor nor texture. Try this. I promise you, you will love this. Again, mix in the blueberries, add some on top, and you're gonna microwave this baby on high anywhere between 1 minute and 15 seconds to 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now, if you've ever made my mug cakes, which I'm sure you have because you requested this video, you know these are delicious as are. But if you're up for it, make the lemon glaze for the muffin because it's so good. It's only lemon juice and powdered sugar mixed together. Recipe in the description box. I am telling you, it is so good. Top the carrot cake and the strawberry shortcake with some whipped cream and enjoy. These are so incredibly fluffy and soft and amazing. Make these after school, after work. These are a great pick-me-up.